children after being split.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for central Clark County in southwestern Washington until 3:30 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Five Corners, or near Vancouver downtown, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Battleground, Meadow Glade, Five Corners, Mount Vista, Barberton, Dollar Corner, Orchards, and Hawkinson around 3 p.m. Louisville, Ventersburg, and Cherry Grove around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brush Prairie, Alpine, Hyson, and Salmon Falls. This includes the following highways in Washington: Interstate 205 between mile markers 33 and 35. State Route 503 between mile markers 2 and 13. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
In Israel again today.
Areas and a ceasefire.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, south central Multnomah County in northwestern Oregon, south central Clark County in southwestern Washington until 4:30 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jennings Lodge, or near Oregon City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oregon City, Portland, Vancouver, Gresham, Lake Oswego, West Lynn, Milwaukee, Camas, Troutdale, Gladstone, Maywood Park, Oatfield, Powell Centennial, Hazelwood, Boring, Jennings Lodge, Mill Plain, Clackamas, Happy Valley, and Damascus. In Washington, this includes State Route 14 between mile markers 8 and 13. This includes the following highways in Oregon: Interstate 205 between mile markers 5 and 23, and near mile marker 25. Interstate 84 between mile markers 5 and 17. U.S. Highway 26 east at Portland between mile markers 4 and 20. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Saying to you, or at the service.